In this video, I'll show you how to add shapes in Adobe Acrobat. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and open the PDF file where you want to add a shape. You can do this by clicking File, then Open, and selecting your PDF from your device. Once the document is open, go to All Tools and choose Comment. In most versions of Adobe Acrobat, shapes are added through the comment tools because they work as markups on top of the PDF. This means you can use them to point things out, highlight areas, or make notes without changing the original document text. After the comment toolbar opens, look for the drawing tools. You may see icons for a rectangle, circle, line, arrow, polygon, or cloud shape. If you do not see all the shape options right away, click the Drawing Tools drop-down menu to expand the list. Now choose the shape you want to add. For example, select the Rectangle tool if you want to place a box around an important section. Choose the Circle or Oval tool if you want to mark one specific area. Use the Line or Arrow tool if you want to point to something on the page. After selecting a shape, move your cursor to the PDF. Click and hold your mouse button, then drag across the page to draw the shape. Release the mouse button when the shape is the size you want. If the shape is not in the right place, click it once to select it, then drag it to a new position. To resize it, drag one of the handles around the shape. You can make it wider, taller, smaller, or larger, depending on what you need. You can also customize the shape so it matches your document. Click the shape, then open the Properties options. Depending on your Acrobat version, you may see these options in a small toolbar, right-click menu, or Properties panel. From there, you can change the border color, fill color, line thickness, opacity, and style. For example, you can use a red outline to draw attention to an issue, or use a light transparent fill to highlight an area without covering the text. If you want the shape to look cleaner, keep the fill transparent and use a simple border color. If you want the shape to stand out, increase the line thickness or choose a brighter color. To delete a shape, click it once and press Delete on your keyboard. You can also right-click it and choose Delete if that option appears. Before saving, review the page and make sure the shape is placed correctly and does not cover important information. Finally, save your PDF. Click File, then save to update the same file, or choose Save. As if you want to keep the original PDF unchanged. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.